Namaste, Hamisha खुश रहो बिटिया. My name is Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you functional foods or drinks and their protective effect, that is the tea. Now, what if I told you that there was a great tasting drink that could be served hot or cold, that has health benefits, and it is very easy to find and prepare at home, work, or on the go, and it's fairly inexpensive, and it can even be a form of stress relief? Would you think it's just a gimmick? It's a green tea. Green tea has been used for centuries in countries such as China and India. However, it is just recently gained popularity here in the United States. Tea is considered the most consumed beverage in the world behind water. And however, 78% of the teas consumed worldwide is black and only about 20% is green. All types of tea except herbal tea are brewed from the dried leaves of the Camellia sinensis bush. The level of oxidation of the leaves determines the type of the tea. Green tea is made from unoxidized leaves and is one of the less processed types of tea, with white tea the least, and therefore contains one of the most antioxidants and beneficial polyphenols. Next is the possible health benefits of the tea. Number one is cancer. Polyphenols such as those in green tea has been shown to decrease tumor growth and reduce damage from UVB rays. Studies have shown that green tea drinkers were less likely to develop pancreatic cancer, especially in women. There have also been studies done on the reduced chance of the breast, bladder, ovarian, colorectal, esophageal, lungs, prostate, skin, and stomach cancer. Heart disease is reduced mortality, including cardiovascular diseases, and it also reduces type 2 diabetes. Some studies have shown lower risk, others were inconsistent. Next is the weight loss. Overweight or obese, small chance of weight loss, inconsistent results again. Other studies have found that green tea is helpful in preventing dental cavities, stress, chronic fatigue, treating skin conditions, and improving arthritis by reducing inflammation. Recent developments on the benefits of green tea from MNT News, that is, green tea or coffee may reduce the stroke risk. Drinking green tea or coffee on a regular basis is associated with a reduced risk of stroke, according to a study published in a journal, Stroke Journal of the American Heart Association. Next is green tea may help fight prostate cancer. British researchers have scientifically proven that broccoli, turmeric, green tea, and pomegranate help fight the most common cancer in men in the United States and the United Kingdom, that is the prostate cancer. Green tea may boost our working memory. New research published in the journal Psychopharmacology suggests green tea can enhance our brain's cognitive functions, particularly the working memory. Green tea component upsets cancer cell metabolism. A new study reveals how an active component of green tea disrupts the metabolism of cancer cells in pancreatic cancer, offering an explanation for its effect on reducing risk of cancer and slowing its progression. The researchers believe the discovery signals a new approach to studying cancer prevention. Reported in the journal Metabolomics, the study explores the effect of epigallocatechin gallate or EGCG, an active biological agent of green tea. Then precautions are, even though there are little to no side effects, caution should be taken for those with caffeine sensitivity. Those taking anticoagulants should take caution due to the vitamin K content. Green tea is an active substance that can interact with other vitamins, herbs, supplements, and medications. Always check with your doctor and disclose all herbs and other substances being consumed. It is a weight loss supplement. You may have seen or heard about green tea as a weight loss product. Supplement companies love to take products that have a small study that shows weight loss and run with it. Green tea extracts are being marketed for weight loss and are being added to sometimes dangerous weight loss pills. When the extract is consumed in excess, it can potentially cause liver issues. Another issue with the extract is the large amount of caffeine that is contains. Advice is drink the tea, avoid gimmicky supplements that claim weight loss. Tea is everywhere. Groceries, teas, you can find tea in grocery stores, restaurants, Starbucks, cafes, malls, convenience stores, and I hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in our comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.